Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ubah Hamlet Sondoling, ubadang syu'in okam kumu MLA jong Kamiliam constituency, bat ublah penyeso iladi syaka National People's Party haka nyutari ukulalingkot anaja apulai. Nakabintawan ay reng biang haka election syaka yung dorbaw tauan gajala. Kaban salong mentau senam anaja apulai uloong magipajbahi kin sabisyari kikam kiba ulale hagini sansnam kanti kum unong mikmat jong Kamiliam constituency. Uloong ruba minba urang long umintri hapok sorkar balayalam du Konrad Kongkel Sangma. Ula pensnguru ya kajingdan kambat penpoint wat ya ke umbam umdi lingba ke skim Jal Jivan Mission bat kajing penrung ya ke skim Shispa Asngi wat syaki census town. Ula ong syusyu la ragi pajba gidang ayla ya ke NPP ban sinsyar biang ya ke jala Megalaya hadian ke election ke NPP kan senang buddian ki kam kabaladap prat lenti hakini ki snam ki balalet no hakini ke jingalang kabalalong Hamadan Umlingka bala sakhilang du National President ke NPP u Konrad Kongkel Sangma u National Vice President u ba Preston Tinsong u State President ke NPP Megalaya State Unit bat kiwi ginong ilam la priang sobharu yu ba Hamlet Sondoling yu ba Ivan Lumlang Marbanyang yu ba Emlang Litan bat yu ba Dipshan Rintathyang kibala mi no naka party PDF man penyaso syaka party NPP
Telefon support yung ba Hamlet Sondoling. Oh, niya ay sakti macam kan. Toh niya sakti berak paham lat ya saya ni kakot bendrong siya kayeng jong the NPP. Nakajikut hu ketua jong ibaro pailang jong Kamiliam constituency. Ngedap di dokumen bendor rekat buat pi nang Marbanyang nang ba Emlang Litan buat iba Dipson Rengtathyang sya ke parti NPP jongi hoi ke parti jongi iset ngautenat benong dan biar NPP family barok meki bat mopi barok gepet ba idai ke wei ke long yeng ha ke parti NPP. Dia kini ke por, angan ai kini ke form, hak keti jongki, kum kedak yang buruk miki ke parti jongki. Oh tapi berat tu. Kapag niya yang baru berpiang iba Hamlet cak NPP family, bagi dia sedang pribadi. Requesting our Chief Minister, National President to kindly size members, welcoming them to the NPP family. Hakti kamjam visian kita.
Haga jingyai lenti kumu MLA bar haga juga por kumu cabinet minister jonga sorkar jela hagini kisan snem lenter uba Hamlet Sondoling ula trai borba naga bentau pajba omtang hapo Kamiliam constituency nrei ha baro kawai ke jela Gani ga kai pot hagador jong ga kot lengkedop ka ba on pelait pai ba hagani ga sngi kan batai bnia bin pa bin yagi jingtre gi bau nong mikmat jong ga Meliam constituency ula pentre. Ya gani ka kai pot lajer ka hok bantim. Namar gani ka dei ka hok jong pai ba bantim ayu bau MLA ula le haga samoi trekam ga jong u. Labati ya gani ka kai pot hagi san benta. Bat kita kidei ka roi ka par, ka pule ka puthi, ka kot ka khia, ka rep ka riang, bat ki kam yele kai sports. Tong ini pai menta kendiat sepang kamat ka banengkong, kata ka roi ka par. Hoi, ka jingwan lan shop jong ka klam COVID-19 kalak ta shikadai haki arsnem kenti. Nrei kumu MLA uba Hamlet Sandoling ulatay ya bon teli ki community hall hagi babon ki sinong ki bumdan satya ya kita ki jaka ban penlong ya ki program kerpang lagadai ki jong ka sinong lani ki jong ka sarkar ulapan sinaru ya ki surok sinong bat penpoy ya ka umbam umdi hajan man lagi tliw yeng lengba ki skim sarkar. Kumbangi juang barabor, baka pule ka puti gadai ubot lom jong ka ribat ka jaj benriu. Bat kumjuru ka jingnang jing start kadai ka laway jong ki khon samla. Kumta ban nang penbaha syusyu ya ka baladon lupa, bat bantay ya ki ying school ki babaha, kaladai ka thong ka baha khmat haga bagi pait ba ki la syania hau MLA ubalala ban penbit penbiang ya ki school ki badon haga constituency da ka ba maramot ya ki ying school ban penhe syu ya ki kamra school bat kumjuru ban tei thamai ya ki ying school kat kum ka jingdon kam ban penyo ru ya ki computer khnang ban yabe ya ka jingnang jing start kat kum ka jingya jongapor ka jing sam ya ki laptop syaki khna ki bayo top 20 SSLC bat ruban penkup buram ya ki samla puli ki bayo first division haga SSLC, CBSE, ICSE, bat HSSLC, kilong kikam kiban kentiu ya kapuli putih. Kakot kakhya, kalong kabadon kam bat kabakong santam haga jing imbrio. MLA jong ka Meliam constituency ula shimkia hakaban yarab bat penbiang ya ki jingdon kam ki bagi pait ba jong ka constituency ki khmilenti kum hagaban kentiu ya ka kot ka khia lakalong hagi jingtei ya ki infrastructure bat karu kompenya ya ki jaka sumar kata ki PHC sub center bat dispensary ka Meliam constituency kalong ka way na ki constituency ka baki nongshong shnong kidai ki babon ki nong rep. MLA lawan ra shibon ki lad ki lenti ban kentiu ya ki nong rep. Ki lad jing yarap ki kentup ya ka jing bentre kam jong ka focus scheme. Hakabala sam sya ki praspatali ki producer group ki bahapo jong ka Meliam CNRD block kata san pau hajar tengka sya ki producer group ki badon shipongut ban shilak tengka sya ki producer group ki badon arpongut. Haga lifeway tarik unok pra arjar arfway layok ban pelait ya ki skim naga Soil and Water Conservation Department daki korpo lengka lani ki power tiller haga thain Meliam tem. Kumu brio uba ya ka sports bat uba trang ban kentiu ya ki khon samla haga liang ka sport MLA ula treshitam ban wanra ya ki skim ki baper halor gani khnang baki khon samla kinla ban panpau ya ka sap ka phong jongki bat ru ban light na ki jaj jingdi ki basniu ki ban pentroin ya ka met ka phan la tei ya ki jakai lek kai lani ki infrastructure ban penslur ya ki khon samla baru ban ai ke jing kersian na ka benta jongki kito kidei tang khendiat ki jing kedau halor kani ka kaipot ka ba phila ban pule lut pura hadien bala pelaj pai ba yaka Kermens kem balengba kani ka kaipot ki pai ba kin sngo tho shai halor ka hok jongpi ban tip ayu unong mikmat ulatrei hapo kini ki sansnem ki ba mapi phila ban shet ya ka kamram bat kelengkor lengba ka vote jongpi
ngau ngan ban yu i ya fi kap ne krui pi yalang ban ai ya kata ka jing kershan ya i MLA jong fi ibala syakri hok ya fi kat kum katu ka kaipot ba ila ai hakmat upai ba ngatrai dan ka jing artatin ya kano ka kenrum ka kenram ka ba i MLA jong fi ila ai ha fi hakisan snem ki baladep ngakwa ban kali ya piki nong song snong jong kemelim constituency balai ni hap kershan ya ke NPP hato kani kamdei kapor jong kasau kasyang kayap ka im pitip kanungot ki MLA ki larisain na assembly kum ki MLA shwaya ki election kala jujakum ni balay ka klumar bat balay mangi kinong yalam ki jongpi nginom yarap ban penteli nakabenta ka sensyar ka kadar kaban penmentoy yano yapi upat ba ngihapan kan mau bahapdeng kani kasaw kasyang lada amdan kita ki Shipau katway ngot ki MLA kumiba Hamlet bat mga bat kiway ki banganum dadakam bandanyer kertengang ni ladangin yalik kelibat ke NPP hato pinyo ya ka sorkar ka baklan hau arpo lai hato mangi kinong song snong jong kani kajela ka bangi ka jong inimpatan ya kata ka jing sha nyon jing sha batay jing sha lamsi samkhmud hakita kinong yalam kibawan na sya kabar jong kani kajala ka bait kajongi manoba ang yapi baka NPP kaday ka party nong way batay mano yapi kumta kaliyang isi kibadon hakum kita kijag party kibadon kihe kihan sa kiway pat kijala kum kanong ba Delhi kanong isyam ka jing jenjar ngataray PUE ya katuka serial jong ka party congress take kum kutiki serial hindi hangto hapo television jongi kabisas kabibahu sibet lato manoyano sibet lamam manoyano sibet lakren manoyano baro kile kumadantang kaway kakhet hakatakayeng jong kita ki kongres to kimday ginong way gitu habang iladap san posnem pura kajala kajongi to ay mapiken kinong melim ya kajubab nginyay salam ya kisya ti kato kapra hum tukri tukra kaseng kongres one kita kinong yalam ng tanan ng Badali mentahaba ka kongres lasa satang kaling kinong yapom nginle akum no mangi habawan ke eryong jong ka san pertay nginsyong klikti nginsyong marway hailing kendang hakat kani kajing don kam jong kata ka sorkar ka baskem hawar hajar arpulay balay san posnem pat biang mo pat imo kata kartayangi bansya banyalam daka party nakajela lajong tang san posnem ladon kita ginong kensyut banyat tukri tukrajat benril tang kajingnya pra tang kajing ya bisni tang ya kajing ya pihun tapet mo pi ki ba Shanghai East Khasi Hills bat ha West Khasi Hills pet yi ki thi ki nong ba sa thi pet katai ka Jaintia Hills kano parti sa iwan ki MLA sa yeng dorbar thawan tang ar parti pet sa thi sa ribhoy kanungat kita ki parti ki badan ar parti pesa thai sa kitho than lom garo kano taligi parti ki bawan rong sa poka assembly ar parti mangi ki kasi khat rew khat prasit kinong yale chi phau khat wei ki parti ladai hok yai ba Hamlet ba in one banyasno bat ka NPP pilong gi badan bok hato unong yalam jong pi unsyong tang highway skutar unlet saka sarkar marway don ba play jingkhang don gi ban play jingkhang ni ba man rong tang daka cycle badilong ne don kam ban yalam ya pi barolang haba hab yalam ya pi barolang ngin wad daka boss ba he ngim day show ban kwa yakinong yalam bakin shoes din hakatuka boss sarkar daman kibriw yojing yarab daman kibriw syashong syalan ngada ay burom ye iba Hamlet menta ba iyeng rang ba syano kata kaseng kongres habaja kaseng kongres syano mangingin yalan kato kaslap kalaer sakaklam kayap kaim ngilaya durip nakabenta kata kaseng kongres hakapor baprapum kiat tilod kumupon sa pilot pikwa kong kata kaseng banwan sensyare piyanga kalabay yung ibangin niya pentali kaway bat ka NPP kiyong hanaba ka NPP te kamday ki ka party jongi sa syarai mo pi lada na region tiya kiwan ki MLA katungod kaday ka jongno kaseng NPP nang ni na pori kasi kanungod ki MLA ki bajab o arjar katpra rai mo piken ka NPP kaday ka party jongno kaday ka party jong pi jong ngin long try ngin nyom bed bat ngin teli kaway balay ngong teli kaway piteb nem badang ha kini ki benai ki snem ki baladet ki jingma ki babon ki ab ya kejat benriu balay baya kren jat benriu tang hakapor election balay mangikin riu pungot ki balak tensai balajet du pajba ngisong klikti ha assembly hatong iklem ya sad ya kata kajingwan tombor dakaktin nong way hapo assembly bat ngiyeng ngikran dakakasi ngidon kambante song ya laki jong kajat penriu ya laki jong kinong yalam are menta kiong baya upod usam omday bangta upod usam ujong no ubak hamdan ki kenram ki babon pai kmat sakitay kiway kitan omdan kum kata kajing nga ong yapi lada pikwa ya kani kakambakan kutna ay kajing kersyan kabapura ay baka melim constituency kan ay uway MLA syaka NPP bakin yo ban yo ya kasensyar kakadar kababid kababyang.
Today is a very important day for me. And today, Masyarakat Kisama has created a history in Miliam constituency, especially in Umlenga locality. Within a short span of time, Korat Kisangwa has came here three times. We have created history by scoring a hat-trick in this locality in Umlenga. Because 3 times he have come here in Umlenga. This show the love, the respect that we have to my people in Malay constituency, and this show that you are behind me to fight for this coming election. Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and I hope that whatever you deliver a speech, my people will be inspired by your speech, and they be working hard, especially for this coming election. With your permission, sir, I'm going to deliver my speech in Khasi. Kipai ba pait, kinong kasang, next time waper. Kani gasni, kabakirpang bat bakamen nam prajonga bati yang sembaro kawai. Kinong ilam jong ka PDF, ringkat bat nga PE kila resign. Bat kibabun kilingo ak yang balay baham resign po ak PDF. Kanang banyak tim nado pengajok. Kino kirai ke bangasim ngam julek marui ngale ringkat bat kinong kersan. Dai kinong kersan kinong ilam. Kibar ka support kiju ya selok. Bat ngai ku beki kajing start kajing syapang jongki kia pekya ya kajing long jeman joga sanima sema apa kejela kejongi dei babon ba biting kinong kersian ke inga baham join no sebuah ke parti NPP ke parti ke badan kinong lam ki start kinong lam ki syapang bat kinong lam ki badan kajing clear na bata ka setiat jing hi borok away. Kalau bi teng hakit kot kebuar, kumbakren manur ki bawang hana, bala terwa santurur, kat ye ki borong sebuah ke NPP. Keniga santurur kebala thok ke kebuar, kelapen ki bat kelapen dia do dem ye ki babon ki balang. Kidang mud, UMLA juga melihat baham maru. Ulai ngop ia kata kesan keluar. Pajba. Bila jet dengan aku membeli, ngadai orang bak, ubadon laka jengki kli bak keburung. Bak kapor banglai banyakan bak cimesar, bak deputy cimesar banyakan swa bandung suka NPP. Ngelakaran ikut kebuar negasi. Ngai keran tang atli kiman. Ngong yau cimesar. Ngin penting kena bala dangangan do na po ke NPP bag ke NPP brochli ngin penting kena baga jengti urnyom kamde banja kamde banlong na po kari si kujongi. There should not be any uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. That is my discussion with our chief minister. Bag kabar ngong ka ILP issue kejik perong yang keting kasi apa gay schedule ke border issue kini ki issue ki bala kata asisha ya ga jai bendri ke jongi la janda ngarap san posnem ndra ya ki issue la slam sepa ngari brio bobodin ya ki issues namar beladan slam apa ke KSU kat prasnem ngada pok KSU bat kat arsnem kum general secretary kani ke issue ILP ke pengi la bon snem ngani tu ip hagi tu ki por ngi tang bat ya keran pok kabinet umpat je keran kamat jong ka ILP umpat keran pok kabinet umpat judon ke bodoh issue ke ketian kasi ketian garu pok issue ban patong umpat je keran pok kabinet Dei tat kadega sarkar MDA pok jingam jokara ke sangma ki biyo abdi keran ni ki isu bat ngaso komen ngaso sarong bakum nonglam jok ke KSU dei tama keran men swapo mod paran apo jayau sikibanta jutai ni kamdong ikhlor ki isu jok ILP ngaso sarong ling ba jong pi pai ban mulim ba pi penjob nga ngayo ben keran ni ILP apo ka kabinet Baru yo men keren ki isu JYP hang ti po Delhi baru Amit Shah. Ringkat jiran jong si minister. Lelapi pak juga kembalian. Penjob dengar. Ngam yo lak keren yang di isu jong ke ILP ke border isu. Ngapai di social media kiong bahamlet nadu bolong ngambil ilo minister buon jukran isu ya ki isu. Kami kiong apa assembly room jukran. Pak bang itu di. Apa assembly kum minister nyem julak ban keren kumar. Tang ye ka subjek jong se ka phangal jong ilaban keren apa assembly. Nyem dei ki bi bersu ye keren kumar apa assembly bom di kamar ru. Ngari minister ka ban krebet ya kamar jong. Ki bubuan kiong bam jukran ki isu. Kidang mud baglalong minister ru galang meliru ngalai ban keren biang apa mor peran apa jaya apa terter ki jaga yo jenghan kam dei kum ta namarga kerma hok election arjak perang ong ipa ipa ngam kwa su ban keren ki su tak sabar ngakwa ban keren hapo jadi mesti pada penshop ngayo ban keren ki su pada ni kena apa ke kabinet ni keren ke meeting bad home minister kata kelong kike ke bang masuk kemana beri lebak ke kersang ke jupi ke bang keren ban raise isu ki bakta ya ke im pakai yap jong ka jek beri pura gawe ngasotenat ka gentian jong chimel star di bad ba perstun apa ki keren bang nga ban skan pi ki yang baham nilayo pada soyu atiar bani lamlang ya ke state jungi apa ka parti jong ke NPP NPP ka bon kinong ilam ke Champang kinong ilam ke Jigi Clear bar kinong ilam ke Bostan bani ilam ya ke state meglia barakowi kam long ke kam basuk dan kam ki beriu ki banang Bostan ki Champang bar ki beriu ki biit ina ke jong ke jala ngaso komen sibuan dekat kinong ilam dan kanie mengiyo bandanan kumbaki yong badga family jong ke NPP da kasing don jong na bakat kinhuan ke jongi ngin pinti kana ngin try sidom bakal lama jong NPP kan kawe habar kawe ke jongi baro kawe nilai keren ni tristom bagi krimen scam ngin yo ya ke nomor ke babon kang bagi no ban taw yang sarkar ban pendem ya ki babon ki isu ke bangsa bani leg dia teruk isu ke bangsa teng ke ILP ke border isu kini kalau kimat ke bangadu tiado dem nam tak kejek beri bro kowe kom kira kersan ngasukuman mai tuipi sansne malong amali ngam sempelera nyira ke jong ke konferensi ngelari ngeladai ke borom jong ke konferensi ngai ngo yublei buyalam u kesaninga balaban trei badban ribanda ila ke jong ke borom bajong ke konferensi bro kowe ga kermen scam pidangai ke jeng kesan nam ta ke jonga bar bapai pada support ke konferensi pi kermau berbuang ngalaong tetapi jet yang kermau baka buat jong pi kan nam long len ei lano lanuru lebih jet yang ke buat jong pi lano lanuru kam long len ei ngong atu ko pora jaga parangong to se pa ipa ai la chisin pi kermau ngawan man di kendong snong ngong pa ipa ai la chisin ai la chisin namar gawang ke bong blung susam baro ubri bastar mano bala balan da klem de pli kalan kum no la ban keren ngong ai la chisin pi ai la ye ga chisin balong emil jong pi baraba ai la ga chisin balong emil jong pi ngala trei bon ikam istima pera ko kamle go jongi ngidan life ne fli snong po kamle go sensi ngaso kemen mai tu ipi ba boro life ne fli snong lala banai istima pera sansnem ko menejong pi ngayo ban terkam batang laisnem namar arsnem keron tu kelam covid ke bamla ban terkam bamla berilem yang kumni Pemlak bersong kum ni. Lai sedang terkam. Lai publik tisnong kelabat naik skim berper. Ngan jer kateng skim mairap marsnong ngamlak su kelabun palang. Jangan kata ban babi kumnong sabut kesangan. Pun babi kebetul pi. Lah tahu pergi report sama. Kadai ke achievement progress report ke sama. Belawan rak cepi. Ngan sam cabarok gipat ba jog gamleng konstituensi babi pin bisa. Ayu ngatrai hari ni license. Dari pin bisa. Lengah sisong. Lele jai tu ngati asngi. Lele ngatrai. Kani ke report kani ke kaipot yang mai keteng ka hok bantim. Kandai ka kabuk siar bapin tim. Yaki kami ke bang lale kum MLA jongpi. Namar pini bansu tu ka benta ke bangsa ne kum MLA ban le ban trei kalong banan ra ye karoi kapar hagis nong hagita. Lem karoi kapar kisnong kinamlong snong. Kedang hiardien. Nagadau karoi kapar ka development kadai ke bangsa tam haman lagi snong. Kajikar pa cipi kalong naduk mataski nilasay hinilaya na NPP ka simbol ka ni God kirang menit kalau pisay makman kay ka party kay ka NPP borok ng nilasay ka NPP kadai ka National Party tangba kadai ka National Party kadon balik ka singang nut ban yeng yada pendek pensa ban kentiu yela ki jong kata kali kedong rem jong ke NPP ublek ku pi bro bat ken mau ka simbol jungam kal sarja apply ke long ka kot ha ka kot ha ka kot ha ka kot Muslim
friends. These last 5 years have been very challenging for this MDA NPP-led government. As was being mentioned by Mas Nyobalang Dhar, we had a coalition government of 6 political parties. And as you all know, Meghalaya's history with coalition politics is never easy, because all political parties and leaders will have their own interests, their own stand, their own areas of concern, their own way of handling situations. And hence, for a government to be able to carry everybody along sometimes is not the easiest thing. We faced numerous challenges when we had law and order problems, different incidents happening, different situations being faced, and different problems coming up. We had a large number of challenges in terms of COVID, where the government could not function in the normal way a normal government functions for almost 2 years, and major development works and other works of the government had to be halted. And a large number of other challenges like these came in front of us. But still we kept moving forward. Our government survived. Our government moved forward and delivered on large number of promises that we had made to the people of our state. Difficult situations and difficult problems were resolved by this government in spite of all the challenges. And one of the biggest reasons for that is because this government always maintained that we will keep the interest of the people and the state as our top priority. No matter what different political parties and leaders may think, No matter what we may feel, no matter what people may say, our decision will be guided by what is best for the people and what is best for the state of Meghalaya. And it is this basic principle that allowed us to make the right decision in very, very difficult and crucial times. We worked as a team, as was mentioned by Masya Balangdhar. Nobody took a decision in an autocratic manner. We involved every cabinet minister. We involved every MLA, every political party, heard everybody, gave a listening to all the concerns that people had, and then came to a decision based on consensus. Very difficult when there are big challenges ahead of you, yet we patiently heard everybody. We involved everybody, we involved society, and we took the decisions that was in the best interest by ensuring that the teamwork was always there. We ensured that development of the people was always priority for us. Because without development, we will not be able to fulfill the different promises being given to the people. We will not be able to take our state forward. We ensured that the development politics, the politics of ensuring that we are able to provide the necessary services to our people, kept and was put on priority for us. We never played negative politics. As was mentioned earlier, many people said many things about us. But we did not let those comments, we did not let those views deter the interest of the people. You must have hardly heard me ever speak in any negative manner about anybody. Hundreds of people speak so many bad things about us. That's fine. As was mentioned earlier, as politicians and political leaders, people will say many things. But when we know that we are doing the right thing, when we know that our conscience is clear, when we know that what we're doing is for the best interest of the people and the state, nothing deters us. Because we know that we are doing the right thing. And we don't speak negative about others because it doesn't help in any way. I have always believed that we should always have a positive mindset. Even in difficult situations, we must smile. Even in biggest challenges that we must have hope. And in the greatest criticism that people may have, we must never react. And that's the reason why, following these basic principles in the last 5 years, in spite of all the challenges, this MDA, NPP-led government has been able to stably provide a government and been able to deliver on a large number of promises that we had put. I remember the first few weeks and months that I spent with our cabinet colleagues. And I used to especially enjoy my discussions with Bar Hamlet Dolling. I have always found him to be a very, very sincere, a very loyal, a very committed person. I have found him to be somebody who is true to his people. A person who believes in doing what is right. A person who is very strong in his commitment. When he decides something, he does not change. A person who is very clear in his thought about what he wants to do and what he doesn't want to do. A person who is not bothered about materialistic world, but is concerned about what he can do to help his people. And I must say that the people of Milam constituency are very lucky and have made the right choice by electing a person like Hamletson Doling. Today, so many people from PDF have come along with him to join the National People's Party family. Why? Because they believe in his leadership. They believe that he is doing the right thing. They believe that he is a person who is committed to the people and to the state. But let me tell you about one small thing which he had mentioned also, but I would like to tell you the impact of that. And that is regarding the JJM work in census towns. And as was mentioned by the ex-MLA, who is also the next MLA, that Umlinka area and many other census towns were not getting JJM. It was because of the intervention and the initiation by Hamletson Doling that why shouldn't census towns get JJM, that we started pursuing this matter with central government. He went and met central ministers. We both went and met other officials and ministers. And it is after his intervention that census towns were included for JJM. And you have to remember one thing, that while he was doing this, the impact of his work is not just for Milam constituency in Umlinka and other areas, but because of what he did, the impact of that has been felt in Maulai. Today, almost all of Maulai, which is a census town, all of them will be getting water supply scheme because of what Hamletson Doling, your MLA, had done. It is because of the work that he has done that census towns are now in JJM. That a location like Bairang, which is also in census town, will get water supply. So people of Bairang have benefited because of the work that Hamletson Doling has done. This is the kind of impact that a true leader can do for their constituency and for all the other people of the state. And that is why I appeal to the people of Milam constituency. It is not just the people of Milam constituency who need him. It is the people of Meghalaya as a whole who needs people like Hamletson Doling to be there in the assembly and be in the government to work together to take the constituency and the state forward.